In the dance of life, let your breath be your guide. In a bustling city where chaos reigned, there dwelled a seasoned dancer known for her grace and poise. One evening, a restless soul approached her, seeking solace amidst the cacophony of urban life. The dancer invited the troubled soul to join her in a simple waltz under the moonlit sky. As they began to move, the dancer whispered, "Feel the rhythm of your breath. Let it lead your every step." At first, the restless soul stumbled, trying to match the frantic pace of the city's pulse. But with each inhale and exhale, a sense of calm enveloped them, and their movements became fluid, synchronized with the gentle cadence of their breath. In the tranquil embrace of the dance, the dancer shared, "Amid life's chaos, our breath serves as a constant guiding force. It anchors us to the present moment, reminding us to find stillness within the storm." As the night waned and the city slept, the restless soul discovered the profound wisdom of mindful breathing, a simple yet powerful tool to navigate the complexities of human existence. From that moment on, they embraced each breath as a sacred dance, leading them toward inner peace and harmony amidst life's tumultuous rhythm.